we find that a lot of customers come in and just lift and shift. They try and treat Azure as a secondary data center. So they've can they have like a large physical estate, and they'll just pick it up, move it into Azure. It's not the most cost-effective way of using Azure, but it's the easiest way. And we tend to see a lot of projects come in to doing that. What's not always considered is moving straight to PaaS or partially to PaaS, so platform as a service. So there's a lot of tangible benefits in moving to a hybrid between IaaS and PaaS, or just straight to PaaS, that aren't just cost savings. So that could be reducing operational overhead. So instead of having your infrastructure teams and internal IT teams looking after keeping the lights on, so to speak, they can remove that from their day-to-day activities, let Azure deal with all of that. So automatic patching, backups, things like that. Effectively, you're removed from that layer. It allows your IT teams to focus on more of the innovation and development of the services rather than keeping the lights on.
Yeah, so all sounds great. And kind of everyone understands that it's great to a certain degree. Yeah. You know, you don't talk to many people or many organisations that don't get that there could be a fairly powerful change in the way that they operate if they move to more of a platform as a service kind of approach to utilising the cloud. But it's difficult to do, and a lot of that is kind of organisational and skills as much as anything, isn't it? So how do you help customers kind of get over that kind of cultural as well as process shift?
There is a bit of a misunderstanding in terms of that it's complicated to do. It's not the most complicated to move straight to these PaaS services. Microsoft have a lot of assessment tools and migration tools that enable you to easily switch to them. So it's a similar kind of effort to move, let's just use SQL for an example, a physical SQL server into a SQL managed instance. There's a data migration assistant and various migration tools that we can use to move that data into Azure.
So Will says it's easy.
Pretty much.
Pretty much.